today I will be doing a mini mukbang. So I have something to drink. So I'm gonna go ahead. Refreshing. I have strawberry mochi, regular strawberry mochi. And then I have Taro mochi. So lately, things have been pretty busy. I would say not rough, but just busy. I will be moving soon. I already have all of my stuff packed in a suitcase and everything. Ignore the upstairs, the dog is again, but I will be basically moving soon. It will be give or take around the beginning week or week and a half of October. But this month I gotta save up enough money for it. And this is what they look like. These are very, very soft, as you can see. Very soft. I haven't had them in years, so. Wow, these are really good. It's creamy. Pause, but very delicious. My hair looks a mess because I brushed it earlier, but it got messed up a little bit after laying down a certain way for a while, so don't mind it. I will save the strawberry ones, the rest of them for later. I actually kind of want to get into the Taro ones. I have to see which side I have to open. Okay, there we go. I found it. It was a bit of a struggle, but I found it. Okay, so there's 6 of these. Just smells like old wood. Well, it's cardboard, but it smells like specifically like this old, like attic wood. And it's an interesting smell, but let's try to. I trimmed my nails yesterday, so it's kind of a struggle to open this. It's a big struggle to open it, all because I trimmed my nails. I should have never trimmed my nails, but you know, it is what it is. People do things, regret things later. So. Okay. Whoa! That's such a strong smell. Oh my god. I could smell it just out of the whole package itself. I could smell it just with it being on the ground. It's crazy. Look. Got the cute little covers, little orange covers. It's really cute. Okay, so let me get the first one. I've been having a bit of allergies lately, so I'm so sorry. Ooh, they're sticky. Ooh, super sticky. Whoa. This is what it looks like. Okay. really good. I feel like I got the mini ones. These seem a little bit smaller than the usual ones I would see in like different ASMR videos or mukbang videos. Like, I don't know, they just seem smaller. Maybe that's just me. But looking at it, doesn't it look small? Compared to my hand size, that looks really small. There's a second one. Ooh, that was a strong kick out of nowhere from the soda. My goodness. And we're gonna have a third one. We're gonna save the rest for later. Oh, look how pliable it is. Oh my goodness. This is what the inside looks like. Now this is taro flavor. It's supposed to be like taro's like a purple yam, I believe, from what I know. Something called ube, from my memory, but this has like a maple brown caramel color. But it definitely does taste like taro. That I can say. It's very creamy. I'm so sorry for that. Was not trying to do that. Okay. We're gonna do one more strawberry one. And then I'm gonna give you guys some updates. And then, yeah. So let's do one more strawberry. So pretty. It's so pretty on the inside. It tastes like gummy candy. I low-key want to put them in the freezer, especially the taro one in the freezer, to see how it is when it's cold, like if it becomes like an ice cream in a way. But I still have roommates, and I don't want people touching my stuff, you know? If I had a mini fridge, it'd be a whole different story, but it's not the case. I don't have that yet. So not the way. I'm not eating as many of the mochi because I had soup like an hour before, so I'm kind of full from that a little bit. I've been eating a little bit less than usual, which is not the greatest. Because that's mainly because I gained a bit of weight from last year. And lately, I've been trying to lose weight. So my stomach has started to get smaller and smaller. And I've started to eat less and less. So that's kind of how it is. I can't really control that side of things with my body, especially with having an eating disorder. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, Dookie out.